To make the frame of its iPhones, Apple has begun using stainless steel in recent years. Compared to using aluminum, they do this to make the phone seem more opulent in your hand. Some people heard speculations that Samsung would start using stainless steel for their phones, but that hasn't occurred yet. One reason might be because stainless steel can make the phone heavier since it's a little heavier than aluminum. It seems that Samsung, like Apple, is interested in using titanium. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max already feature titanium frames, and there are reports that Samsung may employ titanium for the frame of their next Galaxy S24 Ultra. Originally, Samsung planned to utilize aluminum for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, but recent information on Twitter suggests that all three Galaxy S24 models may instead employ titanium frames. According to the most recent rumor, Samsung intends to make its own titanium frames for the basic Galaxy S24, while sourcing titanium frames from other manufacturers for the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means that all three Galaxy S24 models could have titanium frames and thus be more expensive. As you may know, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max haven't completely switched from stainless steel to titanium, and while the frame is made of titanium, the inner structure is still made of aluminum. This combination is required since titanium does not transfer heat well and is also pricey. As a result, Apple employed a very minimal quantity of titanium in the frame, with a thickness of just 1 mm. Samsung is likely to take the same technique, particularly if they want to employ titanium frames for all three models without drastically raising the pricing. However, it is important to proceed with caution and wait for further facts to emerge as we move closer to the introduction of the Galaxy S24 series. That's all for today. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.